thermoplastic elastomer construction. UV resistant, will not curl like rubber flappers. Repairs most scuppers with flappers, regardless of manufacturer. Kit contains two each of the following: 1 5/8 flappers, 1 7/8 flappers, and all necessary keepers and fasteners. Fit type: universal fit. Our flapper scupper repair kit should take care of any flapper replacement job. The traditional flapper scuppers use molded rubber flappers that curl and deform over time, requiring replacement to prevent leaking. Our flappers are not rubber, but are molded of a thermoplastic elastomer that is resistant to UV and the elements, so they do not curl like the rubber flappers. Repairs most scuppers with flappers, regardless of manufacturer. Kit contains all parts needed to repair two scuppers of a given size. Each kit contains two each of the following: 1 5/8 flappers, 1 7/8 flappers, and all necessary keepers and fasteners. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement for 2015 Carolina Cat 23 SD Scupper drains. Easy install. I cut the two larger sized ones down, so that I now have two spares if these wear out or get torn. Probably will fit World Cat 23 SD Scupper drains too.